Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right but the scale just won't budge? You cut calories, exercise, and skip dessert, yet that stubborn weight sticks around. It's not a lack of willpower or discipline. The real culprit is a hormone, insulin. For years we've been told weight loss is just calories in, calories out, but that's a huge oversimplification. Your body is a complex system and hormones like insulin are in charge. Insulin decides whether you burn fat or store it. Think of your body as having two fuel tanks, one for sugar from carbs and one for stored fat. Insulin is the switch between them. When insulin is high, your body burns sugar and locks away your fat stores. High insulin doesn't just block fat burning, it tells your body to store even more fat. So even if you eat less, if you're eating foods that spike insulin, your body stays in fat storing mode. This explains why some people gain weight easily, while others don't. It's not just about how much you eat, but what you eat and how it affects your hormones. When you learn to control insulin, you regain control over your metabolism. You can finally tap into your body's fat reserves for energy. This is where a healthy ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting come in. They're the tools to lower insulin and unlock your body's natural fat-burning ability. Let's see how this works. Insulin is the hidden switch controlling your body fat. When you eat carbs, bread, pasta, sugar, your body breaks them into glucose, raising your blood sugar. Insulin is released to help your cells absorb this glucose for energy, but in today's world, we eat carbs and sugar constantly. Breakfast, snacks, lunch, dinner. Each eating event spikes insulin. Over time, your cells become insulin resistant, so your pancreas pumps out even more insulin. This creates a cycle of chronically high insulin. High insulin locks your fat stores and keeps you burning only sugar. You get quick energy, then crash, then crave more carbs. This is the sugar-burning trap. The solution isn't to try harder, it's to fix the system. Lower insulin by reducing carbs and giving your body a break from constant eating. This lets your cells become sensitive to insulin again and allows insulin levels to drop. When insulin is low, your body finally taps into fat reserves for energy. That's why healthy keto and intermittent fasting are so effective. Lowering insulin by cutting carbs triggers a powerful shift. Your body enters ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fat for energy instead of sugar. Your liver turns fat into ketones, a superfuel for your body and brain. Ketosis is natural. Our ancestors experienced it regularly. Your brain thrives on ketones, often leading to better focus and mental clarity. Hunger and cravings drop dramatically because your body has a steady energy supply from its own fat. No more energy crashes or constant snacking. You feel satisfied and in control, able to go hours without thinking about food. This metabolic flexibility is the goal. Ketosis isn't just for weight loss, it upgrades your energy system. By lowering carbs, you switch from burning sugar to burning clean, efficient fat. That's the secret to feeling energized while your body burns its own fat. Not all keto diets are equal. Dirty keto focuses only on cutting carbs, often with processed meats and unhealthy fats. Healthy keto is different. It's about nutrient-dense, high-quality foods. Fill your plate with healthy fats like avocados and olive oil, quality proteins, and especially lots of non-starchy vegetables. Vegetables provide essential nutrients and fiber, supporting your health and gut. Healthy keto heals your body, not just your waistline. The key is food quality, not just carb count. This approach creates sustainable, long-term results. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's an eating schedule. You simply alternate between periods of eating and fasting. Humans have done this for thousands of years. The most common method is 16 to 8, fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. For example, finish dinner at 7 p.m., eat again at 11 a.m. the next day. During fasting, drink water, black coffee, or tea. Fasting keeps insulin low for longer, allowing your body to burn fat efficiently. It also improves insulin sensitivity. When combined with healthy keto, fasting feels easy. No more frantic hunger. You wake up clear-headed and energized. Intermittent fasting works with your body's natural rhythms. It's a simple, powerful way to lower insulin and boost fat burning. Insulin is your body's main fat storage hormone. When insulin is high, fat burning stops and your body stores more fat, especially around your belly. High insulin also causes cravings, brain fog, and fluid retention. It's not just about weight. High insulin drives inflammation and chronic health problems. If insulin stays high, your body can't access stored fat, no matter how little you eat. The solution: lower carbs and use intermittent fasting to drop insulin. This unlocks your fat stores and lets your body finally burn fat for fuel. Address insulin, and you address the root cause of stubborn weight. Healthy keto and intermittent fasting together are a metabolic powerhouse. Keto gets you into fat-burning mode. Fasting keeps insulin low and accelerates results. Hunger and cravings drop dramatically. You eat because you want to, not because you have to. Energy becomes stable and consistent all day. You wake up refreshed, power through your day, and still have energy at night. This combo preserves muscle while you lose fat. Fasting becomes easy on keto, and keto is more effective with fasting. You break the cycle of insulin resistance, hunger, and fatigue. It stops feeling like a diet. It becomes your new, healthy lifestyle. This is how you lose weight, keep it off, and feel better than ever. The synergy is the secret. Let's make it simple to start. Starting healthy keto is simple with the plate method. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, peppers. 1/4 is for high-quality protein, grass-fed beef, wild fish, pasture-raised eggs. The last quarter is for healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts, or the natural fat in your protein. Don't overdo protein. A palm-sized portion is enough. This method keeps carbs low, nutrients high, and meals satisfying. No need to count every calorie. Just build your plate this way. It's the perfect formula for healthy keto success. Most people start healthy keto and intermittent fasting for weight loss, but the real benefits go far beyond the scale. Lowering insulin and inflammation leads to less joint pain, clearer skin, and a calmer mind. Your brain runs better on ketones, expect sharper focus, and better mood. Fasting triggers autophagy, your body's natural cellular cleanup. You'll notice more energy, better sleep, and improved overall well-being. Risk factors for chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease can drop dramatically. This isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle that empowers your body to heal. You're not just losing weight, you're reclaiming your health. Healthy keto and intermittent fasting put you back in control. Unlock a level of vitality you may have forgotten was possible.